simplysimplestamping.com. Thanks so much for joining me for my 2-minute tip. Hey, today I want to share with you a really fun little project. I've created these year after year after year, and I love them. This is kind of like my own little personal color coach. So what I have here is I have all of our Stampin' Up! Colors on a little book clip. This is a 1 3/4 inch book clip. Here on the back, I have a label that tells me what color it is, and of course the order number as well. But what I love about using a wonderful little color coach like this is, one, I can pull out pieces of cardstock and find color combinations that I may not normally discover. I'm literally just kind of pulling here. Now that is a really fun color combination. Other way I use this little tool is when I've created maybe some kind of card front and I'm trying to decide how do I want to use that? And this is how I use this little book. It's really a phenomenal way to kind of flip through and see some colors that I may not normally picture. As you know, Stampin' Up! Recently went through a color refresh, so I have some brand new colors to add to my book. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to remove my book clip, and I'm going to use the little circle punch that I already have, and I'm just going to go through. This is my 1/8 inch circle punch. You could also use a 1/4 inch, or if you have a crocodile, you're welcome to use that too. But you can see we're just going to punch holes in each one of my new colors here. I've got a really great file that I'm going to be sharing with you over at simplysimplestamping.com. Look for the September 11th, 2018 blog post, and I'll have this here. So I can see, here's a couple of my new colors. I have Shaded Spruce, and with my little dot over there to the right side, I can add that label. There is my Blackberry Bliss. So on this file, you're gonna have everything that you need. So be sure to check that out over at simplysimplestamping.com. Just another way I like to try to help you guys out, sharing these files, making your stamping more fun. Well, guys, thanks so much for being here. Be sure to create yourself your own little color coach and have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.